Today I'm going to show you how you can make your old car as smart as your new phone. You can use voice control to control everything on your phone without having to touch it by using this gadget. Let me show you how, okay? You simply connect this gadget to the dongle that comes with your phone. This works with the iPhone, Google phones, or any phone that comes with the dongle. Connect it to the phone itself. Now we're going to turn on the car. Set the radio to 87.9. You'll hear that there's a lot of static noise. So we're going to activate this device by holding it down. You see that the static and noise went away? That means the two is connected. So now you'll be able to voice control everything. So we're gonna position the phone right here and just use the voice to control everything. So okay, Google, play music. And you'll hear the music coming through from the car speakers.
On Spotify.
See? Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Louder.
I said, for that, you'll need to unlock your phone.
Okay, Google. Turn the volume up. Okay, Google. Turn the volume up.
Sure.
See, it got louder. So now we're gonna use hands-free, and you can you can also call people hands-free, just like what we're doing now. Now I'm gonna show you the cool thing. We're gonna use voice control to do the text. So, hey Google, text to Tony.
Do you want to text Tony Ma or Tony?
Tony Ma.
What's the message?
Hey, this is a test. Just trying out my new gadget. Thank you. As soon as you're done with the text,
Here you go. Do you want to send it or change it?
send text, please.
Okay.
So this is how you can
Message
use
sent.
this. So this is how you can use my device to communicate with your car. Your car will be as smart as your phone. You can use a voice control to control everything. You can use it to play music. You can use the text. You can use it for GPS, and you can use it hands-free, and many other things that you can do with your phone. You can use it in your car and just use your voice to control everything. Okay? So hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo guy. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Bye-bye.